ideal gas law problem, only we're dealing with changing numbers of moles of gas. We work through our usual process. We start with the ideal gas law under changing equations. We identify that volume is constant, so these values cancel out. Verify that what we're looking for is the pressure under condition 2, P2. Go through, do cross multiplication on our way to solving for P2. All right, we've used the context of the question to write our balanced chemical equation. We have O2 reacting with H2, and we're told the product is water. Now that we have our balanced chemical equation, we can construct a BCA table. Before any reaction occurs, we have 4 moles of O2 and 5 moles of H2. We also want to note that we don't have any product. Now in this problem, H2 is a limiting reagent. All of the limiting reagent is going to be consumed. Now, because of the coefficients, we know that we only need 1 mole of O2 for every 2 moles of H2. So we're going to lose 1/2 of the amount of O2 as we've lost H2. At the same time, we gain as much water as we've lost H2. To find the amounts after the reaction, we add the first 2 lines, the before values to the change in values. All right, so this completes our BCA table. N1 refers to the number of moles of gas we have before any reaction occurs. N2 refers to the number of moles of gas we have after the reaction. Now we finally have all our numerical values to use to plug into this equation. All right, so we plug in our values. We're careful to make sure we're paying attention to the coefficients, whether it's under condition 1 or condition 2, and churn out our answer. We look at sig figs and see that we're limited to 2 sig figs. We're done.